So now we're walking to the east side. We finished the west side, now we're going to east side. And we're gonna check out Asia Trek. We're gonna check out Asia Trek first and loop back around and do Red Pandas last, okay?
Rebecca, this way.
Rebecca, come on.
We're not going straight to George's exhibit.
Here's the cranes from the other day. Mammal or not a mammal?
Not a mammal.
And they are not a mammal, so they're a what? A bird. Very good. Here's the Temple of the Tiger again. We saw this at the members only event. It is the fountain.
Now.
Oh no, you were missed. I'm not sitting on the edge. Are you gonna sit on the edge? No.
I want to see her do this.
All right, hold on. There's the waterfall.
They've added that.
Uh-huh. I see that. Oh, let me get on the camera. There it is. I got it super zoomed in so I can see the tiger. He's right there. Okay, Madeline. Mammal, not a mammal.
Mammal.
Because?
Warm-blooded. Has a backbone. Like I said, doesn't lay eggs. Produces milk. Has hair. Hair for the other two.
and it's warm in here. Yeah, it's gotten colder since we got here. That is really cool though. I love the lanterns. I hope they keep the lanterns up. I really like the lanterns. Bless you. No, come on. So, because we did the demo first, we got here afternoon, and so now we're kind of having to rush, finish our tour of Mammal or Not a Mammal before the zoo closes. The steps. There is a ramp that leads to this, but we're taking the steps.
Remember, we came here for the members only event.
I don't see him in there today, but from our last trip, mammal, not a mammal.
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 But there's the Zoo Knoxville logo. I have to take
Cool.
a picture.
Do it quick. Come on. So here's the path we didn't take last time. We took the way down there. We're taking it this way this time to go see Georgie. There's that rope bridge. I just didn't, it's not that I hate rope bridges, I just, whenever something moves all of a sudden underneath me, I'm not expecting it. It was like, ah. Hey, come here. Come here, girls, come here. I was looking to see if that black one, there's Georgie. Hi, Georgie.
Georgie.
Hi, Georgie.
What?
Hi.
Georgie.
Hi. Oh, there you are.
Georgie.
Hi, sweetie. Hi.
He can't touch you.
Hi. Oh.
He's playing hide and
Hey, Georgie.
Wow.
Up, he's going outside. Let's go see what. Hey. Remember, don't run. Remember, don't run. Oh, and here's the rope bridge. Don't bounce. Wow, it goes over the path. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of heights, but shh, girls, we're not yelling. This is Georgie's home. We don't yell in Georgie's home. Oh, I promised to film y'all this time. Okay, Madeline, go across it again. All right, Sarah, go across. You hear it?
Hey, animals whisper. What's he saying? Hi. That's what he's saying. Hi.
Did you hear him? That is super cool. You see him up there? Madeline, flash, honey. Okay, Madeline. Opie is a what? Starts with an L. He is a mammal, but he is a what? Langer. Close. There's Opie. Oh, sweet baby. Opie is so cute. Uh-huh. Oh, they're so cute. It's the barn loft. I did promise we go in the barn. Let's go in the barn. There's animals in the barn. Rats. Hey, Madeline. A rat is a what?
Mammal?
It's a rodent. Are rodents mammals?
Yes.
Because
Because they're warm-blooded and have fur.
they give birth to like young.
Mom. Rats were the ones that caused. Want to see the snake? Oh.
Yes. Rats cause the Black Plague. You're correct. There's a snake. Are snakes mammals? Aw, the barn owls are off exhibit.
That bird has a circle around
It's a raptor of some sort. I can't remember if it's a vulture or a condor. Is it a mammal?
it.
No. What about the turtles in here?
Which aren't really in here?
But there normally are turtles in here.
No, turtles are not mammals.
Because
They had their legs.
alright, Madeline. Ah, the sunlight. Let's see if we can focus on it. Oh, come on. Look at the pretty owl. Ah, the lighting in it's just like, no. There is an owl up there, though. There it is. And we said owls are...
Not mammals, but they're birds.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that area is closed off. They're going to be redoing this. Remember we saw a sign, 2020, they'll redo the area over here? Yes, it's a rattlesnake. Is it a mammal? Come on, I got something to show you. Come here. See, in 2020, they're going to redo this area, okay?
I don't want to see snakes. Oh, I'm freaked out.
No, come here. I have something to show you. Keep going. Keep going.
This is the old exhibit where they used to put
I saw on a tweet the other day, yep, there they are, that the gators were back. Zoo Knoxville had tweeted the other day that the gators were back over here. I wanted y'all to see them. You see them? I know, it's really hard because the glass is wet, but do you see them? No, probably not, sweetheart. No flash.
Okay, I'll remind you next.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah.
Beaded lizard.
I do not see a beard.
Beaded. Not beard, beaded. So it has all those spots on it.
Oh, nice.
That's why it's called
Is it
beaded.
shedding scales?
It may be. I noticed Khaleesi was.
Yeah, this was.
Alright, come on, let's move on so everybody else can. Okay, so I know none of the tortoises are on exhibit right now while it's cold, but looking at the picture of the tortoise, let's talk and walk. Is a tortoise a mammal?
No, because it lays eggs. No, they lay eggs. And they're full-blooded.
Correct.
And warm-blooded. They do not have hair.
The spider tortoise are really cool when they're in here.
Ugh. I love those.
No, that one's a cool one. It looks like a it looks like it has diamonds on its back. Plowshare tortoise. Similar. This is where the smaller aldabras go, and then the big ones go in this big area over here. And Madeline hates the snake statue they added. No, because you actually can't get to it. And then over here is the turtle. Let's wait to do pictures on the turtle till it warms up a little bit and the turtles are here, okay?
That's good.
All right, come on. This is one of my favorite parts of this area over here, is this wall where people sponsored individual squares.
Hey, look.
And there's little heads of animals, and the otters are broken up into like 3 squares and shows their whole body. It's super cool. And then it's right here in front of the river otters. Come on. Madeline, take your time. I'm just gonna look and see if they're out today. Which is funny because when we used to come here more often, like in the colder months, they would still be out and they were actually more active in the colder weather. But I don't see them at all today.
I hear them.
No, that's the water. That's the water spurting from their inlet. And you hear that popping sound? You hear that popping sound? That's electric to keep other animals out. And people who try to attempt to pet them. Alright. We will try again for otters. There's our quest for 2018, Sarah, okay? Our 2018 zoo quest. See the otters.
See the otter. There's a picture. Yeah, that's a picture.
There it is! Okay, quest completed. There it is. Hi! Madeline, hurry. Madeline, Madeline.
Hurry! Oh, the otter!
Yeah.
Otter!
Madeline, hurry. Look. We were just joking and saying that our quest for 2018 was to see the otters, and then it came out.
So quest ended.
Yeah, quest ended. So now we have to set a new quest. How about a new quest at zoo once a month? Okay, move. Let her take a picture real quick. Hey, Sarah, how about new goal? We come to the zoo once a month, okay? Okay, Sarah?
Okay. I just now got this cute.
Oh, goodness, that is an adorable picture. Hi. Thank you for coming out to see us.
You're so nice.
You were so friendly. Oh. So I can get this.
It's trying to get
Oh, that is so cute. Oh. All right, we gotta go, okay?
Okay.
Say bye. So here's what it looks like walking from the otters to Georgie's new exhibit. And this is also what it looks like when we're 15 minutes from closing at the zoo. Rebecca, don't yell. Rebecca, don't yell. Oh, they've redone the brick in front of here. See, when I was a kid coming here, this was all the red pandas had. And back then we were like, oh, it's really cool. They're really up close. But now that I've seen more and more improvements at the zoo, I love seeing the up close and the more natural exhibits that they make.
Owls, Mommy.
Yeah, they're feeding them dead mice.
They're owls right there.
Yeah, those are the same ones that were down in the other area. All right, zoo's closing, so we've got to head out, okay?
Georgie! He's more active than I thought. We can go in and out.
Hi, Georgie.
Georgie! Georgie! It looks like we're in the last
He's
week.
probably tired. It's at the end of the day.
Wow. We'll see you next time, Georgie. See you next time. Bye.
Remember, Georgie is always on the way to We Play now, so we can always see him on our way to We Play.
Yay!
Or Kids Cove. He's always on the way to Kids Cove. We Play is on the other side of the zoo.
Okay, we have to wait a year to see.
No, remember we just said we're going to try to come back every month.
Rebecca, come on. I want a picture of you two on the bench.
Rebecca's the only one that didn't get to do the monkey bars last time because it was really crowded, but there's like nobody around, so we're going to do it really quick. But you got to hurry because their zoo's closing, okay? Go. Can you go all the way across? Is that a no? All right, jump down.
Can I try?
We finished the east side.
Yay!
Did we have fun?
Yes.
What was your favorite part?
Wow. I like those though.
What was your favorite part?
Red Panda Village. My feet are as numb as all get out.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was getting to take pictures of the wall and Georgie. Mom, can we take pictures in the cave?
Not today. Was your favorite part the giraffe? Talking to the giraffe lady? Yeah.
And